Bob, pretty nice day and getting into the weekend, and we're all ready for that.
Yeah, we are. I know that we are looking for a front to eventually fade away here. It's not going to do a whole lot in terms of changing our temperature. Maybe a little drier air, but all in all, a pretty nice day. And our Osprey, sunny. Basically,
Trying to fly.
Yeah, just sunny now. There's not much Sarah or Soda around, and once in a while, Soda brings a fish, and Sunny there kind of getting some air under the wings there, about 3 inches off the nest at one point today. There we go. There we go. I think maybe by Monday, Sunny may not be here.
Possibly. I don't know. I'm wondering if they're leaving the nest so that maybe that will motivate him to leave, because he sees like, well, I need to go get food. I need to find, something like that.
And I noticed too that, that the other ones will fly around it. It's, Sarah or Soda, I'm not sure which one, and they kind of I'm sure that Sunny's watching and getting an idea. Hey, that's where I need to be.
That's what I need to be doing. Yeah.
Let's see what happens. I'm sure by next week, Sunny will be getting a little bit more air time, if not flying away. Here's what's going on with our weather. Beautiful flying weather. If you're a pilot out there lately, it's been nice. No big storms around. And Anna Maria webcam showing fair skies there throughout most of the afternoon. We had a few clouds around this morning, and there were even a few isolated thunderstorms well to the east and north of us. Photos sent in. Yeah, there were a couple. Here's a nice one from Casey Key. And Christy sending this one is just as the sun was setting. You can see some high clouds off in the distance. Those are from storms off in the Gulf, and those never made their way onshore. Tom getting this one. Appreciate that photo. And it looks like a pretty nice weekend ahead. Despite this front now that we see, it has cleared the Carolina coast. You can see it stretching just off the Carolina coast and then right down through Florida. It's mainly stationary now. There's not much more push to the south, and that's pretty much the case during the summer months. As we approach the summer, we're going to see less and less activity as far as fronts go moving through and close to us. Some big storms earlier near Daytona Beach, up near Jacksonville. Those have now cleared too, and they're pushing off toward the east. A few showers out in the Gulf have since calmed down. We had a few brief showers into Highlands County earlier. Those, again, brought some light rainfall, not a lot of heavy rainfall around. As far as the estimates go, you can just see 2/100 or 2/10 of an inch of rainfall over portions of eastern DeSoto County. Currently, it's warm, 79, the dew point at 70, and the humidity pretty high at 74%. The pressure now slowly coming back up at 30.01 inches, and it looks as though the high today was above average, or slightly above average, just 1 degree. This morning's low was 70, the record high 94, set in 1974. No rainfall to report, and for the month, we're doing pretty well. We're over 2.5 inches above average. Temperatures across the state, all in the 70s right now. 78 in Miami, 79 degrees now in Key West, and 78 in Orlando. And temperatures around the water, you can see into the mid to upper 70s there, and pretty much a uniform across the region. Mayaca City at 76, 77 in Arcadia, and the same in Northport, Inglewood at 76. Well, another front is going to be sliding down, but notice what happens. The clouds and showers associated with it kind of vanish as it heads down. So these fronts don't have much strength to move through as the storm track is shifting well to the north now. And with that in mind, don't expect any kind of big change in temperature. In fact, next week we'll be approaching 90 degrees, I think, almost every day, with a good chance of seeing showers and storms returning in the afternoon and evening and pushing toward the coast late in the day. And that'll happen mainly on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Elsewhere across the U.S., some rain across parts of Michigan. Very cold air is moving in behind this system in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. That's a secondary front that you see here, very active tonight into Texas, just to the west of Dallas. And as far as those watches go, these are freeze warnings over parts of the northern plain states and the upper Mississippi Valley. Still some severe weather possible over Oklahoma and Texas tonight, and a freeze watch over Michigan. For us, we're going to see temperatures approaching mid-80s tomorrow, same on Sunday, and then upper 80s, it looks like, as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. For boaters tomorrow, not too bad. A little breezier than it was today, 10 to 15 knots. Seas will be 2 to 3 feet, and then expect seas to be 2 feet or less on Sunday with a light chop out there. Water temperature at 81 degrees, and looks like 84 for beaches. Low tide upcoming 2:36, and sunrise at 6:42. 70 for a low. Mostly fair tomorrow, seasonal, 85 for a high, a slight chance for an inland shower. The extended forecast, as I alluded to, a better chance for showers and storms on Wednesday through Friday of next week.